Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about different types of leads in news writing. So, what is a lead? A lead is the first paragraph of a news story. It is the most important part of the story because it is what will grab the reader's attention and make them want to read the rest of the article. There are three main types of leads: summary lead, anecdotal lead, and the contrast lead. Summary leads are the most common types of lead. They present the most important facts in the story in a clear and concise way. Summary leads are often used in breaking news stories as they allow journalists to get the most important information to the public as quickly as possible. For example, a new study published in the journal Nature finds that climate change is causing sea levels to rise faster than ever before. The study found that sea levels rose by an average of 3.3 millimeters per year between 1993 and 2020, which is more than double the rate of sea level rise in previous century. Anecdotal leads tell a short story about someone involved in the news events. They are often used to grab the reader's attention and make them feel connected to the story. They are also often used to illustrate a complex or difficult concept in a more relatable way. For example, sitting on the curb outside her home, 10-year-old Sarah watched in horror as the flames engulfed her neighbor's house. The fire had started quickly and spread rapidly, and by the time the fire department arrived, it was too late to save the house. Then we have the contrast leads, which compare two opposite things to grab the reader's attention. Contrast leads can be used in a variety of news stories, but they are most commonly used in stories about successful people or businesses, stories about controversial topics, and stories about social change. For example, Western music has dominated the global music industry for decades. But in recent years, K pop has emerged as a powerful game changer, setting new standards for music production, performance, and fan engagement. At the forefront of this K pop wave is the boy band BTS, which has broken numerous records and become one of the most popular bands in the world. So, a well written lead is essential for any good news story. By choosing the right type of lead and writing it in clear and concise way, you can grab the reader's attention and make them want to read the rest of the article. So, here are some additional tips for writing engaging leads. Use strong verbs and concrete nouns. Avoid jargons and technical language. Be specific and avoid generalizations. Ask a question or pose a problem to make the readers think. Use a quote from source to add interest and perspective. By following these tips, you can write engaging leads that will grab your readers' attention and make them want to read more.